the Marvel API and try to display various characters as the user intended or us to do. So this is the basic index.html for displaying the details or the lists of all the superheroes that are received by the Marvel API. Let us go into the JS part. In the JS part, I am calling the API via this link. It gives me the characters lists, and similarly here this function is pasting all the characters onto the page. Now here I have also created a local storage to add any of the favorite characters into that. Now I have an input box add event listener, which basically listens for the input text and then sends another link which gives you suggestions of the name that you are inputting and gives the correct name if it's present. Also, I have a list box which has a plus key which denotes the favorite item that you want to paste in. So if it's clicked on span, which is the plus sign, then it will add to the favorite one. If it clicks on the anchor tag, it will redirect you to a new page displaying the details of that particular character and the comics in which they appear. Now let's see the superhero page. This is a superhero page which lists all the comic details of the particular character. the corresponding JavaScript of it is this. So after receiving the character name, I am sending the name back again to this gateway URL which fetches the data, and in this function I am just loading it onto the page. Now let's go on to the favorite page. This is the favorite page which will host the favorite characters in cards. Let's go to its JavaScript. In this I have an array containing all the favorite characters, and I am calling each character in that array and giving it into the URL which fetches that particular data. As you can see here, I have used a for function which iterates over the characters in the array and fetches its data and similarly populates it onto the page. Now let's go on to the actual website and see what's going on. Here, as you can see, it's the home page where all the characters are loaded. Now let's type one of the characters. As you can see, we get a list of character suggestions, so we can just click onto one of those and then search for it. As you can see, we got the search of it. We can add it onto our favorites. It shows an alert that the hero is added in the favorites. Then if we click on its name, it will go to a new page which will load its comic details in which the character has been shown. Now let's go back. The page reloads again. Let's add a few of the characters in the favorites array, and let's go on to the favorites tab. In the favorites tab, you can see that 5 characters that we have inputted are there. Now if we want to remove one of the characters, we can just press on the remove button. It will show an alert. It will reload the page again, and that particular character is gone. Similarly, if you want to remove 3D man, let's click on remove. It will show an alert that your hero has been removed, and then the remaining characters are loaded again. So this was my attempt on making this project. I hope that you liked it. Please share and like and comment how you like the project. Thank you.